Hello my hair warriors, it's me, Aaron O'Brien, your friendly neighborhood hairdresser. Today's video is sponsored by Lordhair.com. Today we are going to be talking about a hair system, and a very special hair system. It's the Champion, but it's also a zero sen. I'm very excited to explain this, how to take care of it, and I'm going to wear it for a full week to see how I get on. Okay, let's do this. Here we go. So I want to start off by talking about the Champion system itself. This is a double stitch system, French lace for extra durability, so it is super strong. So if you're someone who wants to make sure that it is very durable, this is a great system for you. Even when I pull it, it has lots of strength in there, and I know this is really gonna last. It has a super HD hairline with this lace front. It looks like it's growing right out of your scalp. Super realistic. No one will ever know that you're wearing a hair system. This is a medium to light density hair system, and it feels beautiful. 100% human hair, and it also has bleach knots at the front as well to give that more realistic hairline. It's also freestyle, so you can style this any way you want. You can wear it back to the side, part it, whatever your heart desires. So what makes this system even more special? It's a zero sen system. This has undergone an antimicrobial treatment. So what this means is it gives long-lasting protection against bacteria, 99.9% to be exact. It's permanent and effective. The antibacterial properties of this treatment reduce odor, and that's really important to me for someone who is very active, because without this treatment, yes, my hair system would have more odor. With this system, I have personally experienced less irritation. My scalp feels less sensitive, it gets less red, and that's why I love it so much. This is a winner for me. I'm not scratching my head as much, I'm not touching my system as much, and I don't feel like I have to change it as quickly. So it actually increases the lifespan of the system, and that's why zero sen is so important. This is so comfortable, it maintains the freshness, and I really love this system. With this treatment and the fact that it's Champion, this is a winner. So we're gonna peel back the tape, just like this. And this can be a little bit tricky, so just be careful of your fingers, that you're not peeling the tape onto your fingers. Okay, so we have that removed, and we're going to just place this at the front of the system. And make sure you line it up in the center so it gives a good curvature. Just like that. Now a little trick that I like to do on this is I'll take a hairdryer first, turn it on hot air, and we place it on the tape. Because we put hot air on the tape, this has already adhered, so it makes it easier to peel off. So you simply just take the tape and lift it, and it sticks instantly. So always heat up the tape before you peel so it sticks better to lace. Okay, now we're going to tape the rest of this. I'm going to use our Extend-A-Bond. This has holes in it. This is to increase breathability, and this is great with the Champion hair system. Not only has this got the French lace and it's light and breathable, we're also using a breathable tape along the sides as well. This makes it much more comfortable. I've already pre-cut some, so let's get them on. Now we're done taping, now let's get this system on my head. When applying, make sure that you use your two thumbs so you can see where the center point is before you place it on. You can also use a eyebrow pencil just to mark where it is. I actually have a little bit of a tan line, so I know exactly where to put it. So we're gonna take this, bring our head down, make sure that we're looking and focusing in the mirror. Keep your back straight and your shoulders straight too, and then we're gonna place on. Once we have the center on our scalp, we're then going to stretch the sides over to meet our own hair, and then we're going to roll it back gently, and then we're going to gently place the back down and stretch it to meet the back. and rub around just to make sure to see if you have any creases. We are crease free, there is nothing there. I like to take a towel, just place it on top and then push down on your hair system, and this will help secure it a little bit more and work out any creases if you have any. Look at that hairline. Wow, that is so good. And this is why I love a Lordhair Champion system. This is fantastic. And now having the 0 cent treatment on there, this is just gonna make it so much better. I can't wait just to take you on my week journey with this hair system to see how it goes, see how it wears with the Champion. But already it feels super comfortable. It feels like I'm wearing air. Okay, my system is blow dried. It feels so different being dark again, but I like the dark and I like the blonde. I think they both as realistic and fabulous. I want to take this on a bit of a journey, see how I get on for the next week with this 0 cent Champion system. It's very comfortable. So yeah, here we go.
1 week later.
Okay, so it's been a whole week since I put on my Champion 0 cent system, and I've really liked this one. I had the thin skin, I tried that one before, and I feel this is equally as good. So starting off with the Champion hair system itself, this is very lightweight, very comfortable, and I know it's very durable. I've worn the Champion in the past, but now it's taken a step up. This is like the superhero of hair systems. With this antimicrobial treatment that is on the hair system, it reduces the bacteria that's gonna grow on your scalp. So after a week, I would usually smell something on my scalp. Even though it's very light, it's not that much, I can't smell anything at all at this point, which is great. But also my experience with sensitivity, I have 0 sensitivity. I'm not scratching my head like I usually would or patting it, trying to get rid of that itch. I feel with what I've gone through personally, it's been really good. The odor situation though is a game changer, especially when you're changing out these systems. I think it is just fantastic. Now I have worn the thin skin as well with the 0 cent treatment, and this is equally as good, if not better, because I like how lightweight this is, and it's also durable. So people who want their systems to really last that length of time, this is a great system. So go out and get yours now. Well done, Lordhair. 2 thumbs up from me. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to comment below if you have any questions. Click the links and I'll see you all very soon. Bye.